Hi, I'm Divya Tate, and I've been cycling for about 25 years. I just, we started to do breves in India since 2010, and that's when I started to ride breves. And soon after that, I also started to organize breves for Pune Randonneurs, which is the oldest cycling club in India. And a few years after that, we started Audax India Randonneurs as a club that oversees all the breves around India. I'm the national representative and the director of the organization. And this is our second year that we are conducting a conference with all the organizers from around the world. It's been wonderful. A lot of learning has taken place. We've been able to basically, the idea of this conference was to disperse a whole lot of information and learning about what all it takes to conduct breves, so that all the organizers know, because we know what are the challenges that are faced by clubs all around the country. So I think that the purpose of this conference has been served with all the information and all the seminars that we conducted this time.
Hi, I'm Raghu Vishal. I'm director at Audax India Randonneurs. This is our second conference for all India organizers of Audax events, and it's good to be here. Great atmosphere to interact with all the ride organizers from across the country. My role here at Audax India Randonneurs is primarily to be the tech interface, basically the unifying portal for all the ride organizers across the country is the audaxindia.org website, and what I do is I take feedback from the ride organizers, have my own inputs on how to go about site improvements, identify key functions that we could automate through the website, and just essentially make all our lives a bit easier to organize, as I am a ride responsible myself from the Cycling Club of Baroda.
Hi, I am Dantas Joseph. I'm the technology guy, you can say, behind this audaxindia.org website. And we have Raghu here. Hello. And Divya here. So the website was planned about 3 years ago, and me and Divya started the discussion, which went for about 2 weeks before we started off the first coding. Then Raghu came into picture. So Raghu is the interface with the clubs and the Audax community, and he filters all the information, all the mails and all the communication, and puts his input into it, makes into small modules which is executable, and sends this back to me, and we implement it. That is how the development happens. This website is an ongoing project. 3 years agile development. Every day something new happens, some new requirement comes in, we fix it, we add new features and move on. That's how we develop it. So there are a couple of new features which is added now, which will be introduced today at the Goa event. And there are more things planned, and there are some feedbacks which we got from the club organization, which also will be implemented in the coming weeks.
Hi, my name is Farhad, and I am the director of Audax India Randonneurs, one of the directors. I am also a randonneer and a graphic designer and a caricature jockey. A lot of things in combined. Okay, I started riding about 4 years back, and I finished my first SR in the first year itself, and later on, of course, due to certain other problems in family and things like that, riding was a little slow, but back on the saddle feels good, and it's nice to be associated with a club like Audax. Regarding this conference, well, it's a good eye-opener for all new clubs that come in, and for the ride responsibles, club representatives. It's a good platform to come and be here so that you get to know a lot of things that are happening in the club, whether it could be regarding riding, or it could be regarding operations, website, anything. It's a good platform to get to know a lot of things. And of course, you get to meet all the RRs or the club reps from all over India. And wish we could also do a worldwide conference like this.
Hi, this is Partha from Madras Randomness. We started this club in 2011, and our first ride was in 18 December 2011. And we started with only 56 riders in the club, and now we have grown up to around 700 members in the club.
Hi, my name is Dipendra Sejpal. I am here with my colleague Ashwini Atrish. We're from Noida Randomness, and we are very thankful to Audax India Randomness to give us this opportunity to have the Randomness Club in Noida now, and which provides for the platform for people to do brevet in Noida and adjoining areas. I've been cycling and doing brevets for the last 4 years, and I've done a couple of brevets and a few SRs, and I'm also a very proud finisher of the Paris Plus Paris of 2015. And it's a great opportunity in this annual conference here to meet the clubs across the country, and we hope to take the learnings back and do a better job of our remaining season and the coming seasons.
Hi, this is Azim Panjwani, club rep of Nanded Cyclist. Started cycling last 2.5 years back. Had a back problem and a neck problem. I went to an ortho doctor. He suggested me to start cycling. I started cycling. Since then, we were 4 riders, and now we are around 200 riders in Nanded, promoting cycling, ultra cycling, and promoting small kids also. So basically, that's it from Nanded.
Myself is Akhilesh Dalia from Surat, Rondoniers. Basically, I was going school on cycle, but I have started serious cycling since last 2014, and now it is I'm addicted to it. It is an addiction to me, and I had been to PBP. This BRM has given me to journey within. It's given me an opportunity to explore myself within. So that's it.
This is Rohit from Hawk Riders Jalandhar. I love cycling. I have been cycling for last 2 years. I love my culture. I love my India. Thanks.
हाय माझं नाव नितीन घोटपणे. औरंगाबाद रँडमनेस क्लबकडून आहे मी. औरंगाबादला सायकलिंग गेल्या 2 वर्षापासून मी स्वतः करतो आहे. आमचा जवळपास 30 लोकांचा ग्रुप झालेला आहे आता. जेव्हापासून ऑडेक्सशी कनेक्ट झालो आम्ही आणि प्रायव्हेट औरंगाबादला सुरू झाली, लॉंग डिस्टन्स सायकलिंगमध्ये खूप जास्त आमच्याकडं ओढ लागली लोकांना आणि सवय लागली खूप छान. आधी आम्ही जे 10 ते 20 किलोमीटरच्या पुढच्या राईड खूप कमी असायच्या. जेव्हापासून ऑडेक्स सुरू झाल्या औरंगाबादला तर 200, 300, 400 या राईड सुरू झाल्या. खूप जास्त लोक जुळत आहेत आमच्यासोबत. सेफ राईड आणि लॉंग डिस्टन्स राईड, इंड्युरन्स सायकलिंग ऑडेक्समुळे आमच्यासोबत. थँक्यू.
Hi everyone, myself Shubham Pradeep Shankpal. I am here in Goa for 2nd annual air conference, and thanks for belief on me for my club. They sent me as official, not as a club representative. We have arranged our club from since 3 years, and we are doing very much good, better, best. The specialities of our club is providing good speciality to riders and to take care of them, etc. etc. We sometimes arrange a felicitation ceremony of riders, and we are doing good. We will do good in the future also. Thanks.
मेरा नाम गुरजीत सिंह है. मैं पटियाला पंजाब को बिलोंग करता हूँ. साइकिलिंग मैं एज ए प्रो साइकिलिस्ट अपने स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर चुका हूँ, और अभी 2014 में मैंने इंडिया टूर कंप्लीट किया. अब मैं ऑडेक्स इंडिया के साथ जुड़ा था लास्ट ईयर. तो हमारी पहली कॉन्फ्रेंस है ऑडेक्स के साथ. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला एज ए ऑर्गेनाइज़र. नई चीज़ें पता लगी, रूल्स को कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है वो चीज़ें हमें पता लगी. राइडर्स को अच्छी चीज़ें कैसे प्रोवाइड कराई है वो चीज़ें पता लगी.
Hi friends, I'm Krishna Mandava. I am a government employee working as assistant manager in agriculture insurance company. It's a government insurance company. When it comes to cycling, I have never left cycling from my teen years. even today I bike to work, and I bike everywhere, cycle everywhere. And long distance cycling is my hobby. I've been doing it for many years. Off and on, I go a long distance cycling. And these Braveways have been taking part right from the Braveways were introduced here in India. I've been doing many rides with Hyderabad Bicycling Club, with Hyderabad Randonneurs, and I am part of organizing team there also. And then Vijayawada we have started 2 years back. We have started Vijayawada Randonnering Club, and this is Mr. Manohar. So he is also, we too are managing these things as club representatives. And then Divya and her activities really hailed for the past. She is instrumental in giving it a shape for the past 3 years actually. Single-handedly and then with the team actually. Wonderful thing. And when it comes to conference, it's really second time it's happening All India conference, and it's really wonderful thing to meet all the fellow organizers from across a pan-India basis. And over to Mano.
I am Dr. Manohar, plastic surgeon by profession, and of course the interest of cycling, the buds have been seeded into me by Krishna Mandava Garu, who is considered as the father of cycling in South. It's a healthy way of de-stressing yourself. It's a healthy way of getting away from what you all do regularly every day. Probably a nice way, a healthy way to live. But when I came to Vijayawada, we had this idea in mind to sow this concept in public and to raise awareness regarding the healthy ways of cycling and all. That's what we've been doing for the past 3 years. So I've been cycling for the past 3 to 4 years, and this randonnering activity, of course, has just been started, and Divya Tate has been created with that, and very truthfully. And we are just trying to carry forward that. And now we have come here in this conference, wonderful place, wonderful venue. Wonderful friends we got to know about, and almost everybody has got the main aim to look after yourself, to promote cycling. Cycling is a sport which will basically improve your health and improve the way you think, the way you try to help each other. And we're enjoying it right now in this beach and having a nice gala time. Thank you so much.
My name is Velusamy from Coimbatore Cycling. I'm the ride responsible for the Coimbatore Cycling. Actually, I have been cycling from 2013. Actually, I'm a diabetic. I think cycling will cure the diabetic. It cures the diabetic, and I maintain and control the diabetic.
I'm Abraham. I represent Calicut Peddlers, and I'm from Calicut. I've been cycling since 2010. Cycling is my passion. It's my life. What really transformed me was the thrill that I used to get in cycling. It changed my life, changed my living habits, my food, my friends. It changed everything in my life. So I took up long distance cycling by 2012, and since then I was associated with Audax. I started my randonneuring with Madras Randonneurs in 2012, and in 2013 I was doing randonneuring with Cochin Bikers.
Hi, good morning. I'm Nitin Songirkar from Aurangabad. I'm a representative of Aurangabad Randonneurs group. Actually, I have started cycling since 1 year, and we have already cycling group in Aurangabad since 2 or 3 years. But nobody knows about the randonneuring. Last year, when Mr. Nitin Gorpadek, he came to know about randonneuring, and then he completed SR, and then we got the membership here. So since 1 year, everyone is enjoying this randonneuring, because earlier everyone was cycling only 100 kilometers maximum, but now more than 200 kilometers one can cycle, and one can ride, or 200 up to 1200. It's a very new and amazing thing for us. So
good morning. Hi, my name is Sarvesha. I am from Bangalore. Bangalore is a small community for cycling. I have been cycling for the past 5 years. It came as an evening hobby, and it has been becoming a passionate thing for me. I have been riding almost every day, clocking around almost 900 to 1000 kilometers every month.
Hi, I'm Shyam Prasad Nayak from Bangalore. I've been cycling since 4 years now, and recently I have done super randonnering this year. My hobby of cycling have been from a long time, from my school college days, and recently, since 4 years, I have seriously started cycling. It was mainly for the fitness purpose. It started with fitness in mind, as a gym and cycling together. Then once I started cycling, since the passion was there in me about cycling, I liked it in a level. So almost now in a week, averaging 300 kilometers, I'm riding.
Hi, I am Mehul Joshi from Himmatnagar. I am from Cycling Club, Ride Responsible. I have started my cycling since 2013, at the December 2013 it was, and I did my first BRM 400 kilometers.
Good morning, I'm Chakravarti from Coimbatore. I'm cycling from 2011 and started running in 2012 August. That was my first 200. After that, of course, I've done my 200, 300, 400, 600 and 1000. And I attempted PBB, where my cycle hanger got broke, so I couldn't complete it. So I plan to do PBB in 2019.
Yeah, I am Anirudh. I am from Nagpur, represent Nagpur Wanderers. It's a wonderful way to, bring the Breve organizers together, clarify a lot of doubts, a lot of new things happening in bicycling. Such conferences are needed for clearing doubts, building camaraderie.
Hi, I am Rajesh Malhotra, and I represent Try Goa Foundation, the club from Goa. And it's been a great experience attending the All India Conference of the Audex Randonneurs. Lot of things to implement, and it was great of Divya to come up with this concept to get all the new clubs inducted into the fold and get us all together so that we could meet all the other organizers as well.
Hey, myself Saurav. I'm from Jaipur, and I'm riding around like last 3 years. So I started riding like 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers. And then I suddenly saw a few people were riding like 100 and 200 kilometers distance, and I tried for them, and it was really good. And then I started doing brevettes, and then I started organizing it in Jaipur because people wanted to do everything, but they didn't had opportunity to be a part of the events. So I started organizing there, and like this. From last year and from this year, we had opportunity to meet other organizers from all over the India. So this is really nice way to start riding together. Like now, lot of riders from Jaipur goes to Punjab, Delhi, and we get all the riders even from South. We get riders from Bangalore, Hyderabad. So these kind of meetup increase now we organize our event so all the participants can come and do rides together.
Yeah, so my name is Nikhil Chilana. I've been riding for the past 3 years seriously. I've been riding all my life. I've been riding to school. There was a time when the neighbors' kids would go in an auto rickshaw to school, and I would wave them, and I would go on a bicycle. I would reach the school assembly drenched in sweat. My school uniform would be spoiled. That was I've always been in love with cycling.
मेरा नाम विकास विजय है, मैं जलंधर रोकरेट से आया हूँ और मेरा यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया रहा। सभी टीम मेंबर्स ने बहुत अच्छा इस फंक्शन को ऑपरेट किया, यहाँ पे कुछ सीखने को मिला।
Myself Darshan Singh from Patela Randonneurs. I am joint secretary of the club. I started cycling in 2013. Till now I have done 200, 300, 400 किलोमीटर राइड्स। और यहाँ मीटिंग में बहुत कुछ जानकारी मिली हमें और अच्छा लगा बहुत।
Hi, I'm Sarankriti. I belong to Punjab Bikers Club, and basically I started cycling in November 2013. How we came into cycling, it's really interesting. My husband Abhishek Kashyap, he got a ligament injury and doctor advised that you start cycling. Luckily we were in Cochin, so we met Cochin Bikers Club guys. They advised us about proper way of doing cycling. We came into Breways. We organized Breways in Punjab very first. Objective of Breways was to bring cycle tourism in foothills of Shivalik in Hoshiarpur, the place from where we belong to. And we conducted Breways all over Punjab with the help of local clubs of other cities like Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana. And you can see market figures right now, and lot of cycling in Punjab. 3 years back, when people used to laugh at us wearing helmets, riding for so long, like people used to say they have gone mad, they have gone crazy, guys. But now it's a culture over there.
Hello, my name is Shakzil Khan. I am from Kochi. I work as a tour professional, travel all over the country, and love bicycling. Started bicycling when I was a child or a kid, but organized bicycling started about 7 years back, and started with Cochin Bikers Club, which I am representing here. We are affiliated with Kodax India Randoniers, and this gives us dimension and direction how to organize ride long distances. This conference has been wonderful to give us an idea and us a motivation to go ahead well and conduct events, and to meet all the club representatives here was a gem to meet them and to see how long and how big we have grown in these last few years. And a nice place in Goa, and I represent the whole club in Cochin to come here to do this. Like to do that again in a different location maybe, and to ride with all of these people once. Thank you very much.
Myself, Vinod Purohit from Ahmedabad Cyclone Cycling Club. I'm doing cycling since last 5 years, and how I started is we 4 or 5 friends got together to do something about our fitness, and that's how with our friends we started cycling.
I am Amit Abhyankar from Pune Randoniers. I've been randoneering for about 1.5 years now, not very long time. And coming to this conference was a great experience. It gave me an insight into what AIR is doing all over the country, what kind of clubs are there, how many clubs are there. Of course, I had the statistical data, but meeting all the people here gave me a lot of insights into how large this community has grown and how vast it has become, and the kind of efforts that AIR has put into developing this community and the portal and all of it. And of course, as you can see, we are having great fun here in Goa.
Hi guys, this is Amrut Pavaskar from Hubli Bicycle Club. We have been cycling almost since our childhood, but our serious cycling started only in the 2009 when I met my childhood friend Kamal. And serious breways and all these randoneering, triathlons and all started from I think around 2011.
Hi, my name is Prashant. I represent Pune Rando. Started the randoneering riding around a year and a half, and since then I've been assisting for all the Pune breweries in the role of a volunteer, marshalling, and this year I'm taking a role of a ride responsibility. Coming to this conference was the main aim to get network with all other ride responsibles, club owners and other people. They are managing the AIR. And this conference was a fantastic in aspect to knowing the website, the tools available to conducting the brevet. And AIR is doing a fantastic job to increase the riding community in India. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Clement Raj. I represent Rajkot Randoniers. And I've been cycling for the past 1 year probably. And this conference was pretty interesting. Got to learn a lot of things, meet a lot of people. And it's quite interesting to know how the cycling community of India has been growing.